Yeah, the movie is pretty boring. Hey everyone, it's Friday, and you know what that means. It's now time for our bold review dito sa Fridays with Viva Max only on Harriet. And today, we are going to be taking a look at one of the special movies na yung taon, Las Ilusionadas. When I say special, it means it's a bit boring. Yeah. Sorry, but I have to rewatch this movie again. And it's an hour and 30 minutes long. So it's longer than your typical BMX movie. But still, di ko, di ko siya maano eh. Kailangan ko siya panoorin ulit para lang mag-gets ko yung storya. Alam mo yun? Okay, so Las Ilusionadas is starred by Angeline Aril and Jen Rosa. Jen Rosa is a we last see her back rider. Yeah, we first see her in Bisho. Angeline Aril, we saw her in Cheaters. Nasa Wow Money rin siya. Nasa Wow Money rin si ano, si Jen Rosa. Kung if my memory serves me right, nasa Wow Money rin siya. Kaya ayun, tama lang na matanda na may ano. Actually, lahat ata nasa Wow Money, di ba? So, it's a given naman na sila. Yeah, so this is a drama, girls love rin, and nakita naman natin yung approach ng director dito. Ang problema ko lang is medyo fail yung storytelling niya. Okay, so what is Las Ilusionadas all about? Las Ilusionadas is a story of Emma, played by Jen Rosa, and Sandra, played by Angeline Aril. So sila, they got respective rebels as their former husbands, okay? And they are mga rebelde, mga NPA yung mga asawa nila. Sabi mong NPA kasi every time they turn on the radio, it's always about news about rebels. Okay? It's ang balita talaga is tungkol sa mga rebelde na pinupuksan ng mga sundalo. I don't know, it's either sila yung asawa nila ay sundalo o asawa nila rebelde. Meron kasi dito naglulum na common enemy, si Roman. And I assume na, I think I'm going to take this back. I assume na rebelde itong si Roman, mas mga sundalo tuloy yung mga asawa nila. So yung mga asawa nila, they are played by JC Tan and JC Tan and I forgot yung isa eh. Anyway, JD Aguas. Okay. So JC Tan and JD Aguas. Okay, okay. Yung nakita ko dito sa ano eh. Nakita ko dito sa BMX eh. Sorry about that, DC ako. I'm currently echo peaking. Yun. And let's just beat this boss away. Ang hirap ito. Okay. okay. Continuing on, the story revolves around kay so namatay na yung mga asawa nila. Namatay si JD Aguas, namatay si JC Tan. So Sabrina and Emma are trying to do a coping mechanism. Naging magkaibigan sila. However, the illusions of the past, wow, disappear among the sea of butterflies. Illusions of the past makes them really vulnerable to the deaths of their late husbands na parang dinadaan nila sa daydream. So That is where the title comes from, Las Ilusionadas. Nagde-daydream sila na sila'y nakikipagtalik sa kanilang mga asawa. And that's it. So, yun yung coping mechanism of their loss nila. It's understandable naman kasi mahirap tanggapin yung yung pagkawala ng asawa, mahal na mahal nila. And they like to reminisce naman yung mga nangyari sa kanilang mahal sa buhay. So, I don't blame na medyo ganun yung medyo boring. And the music doesn't help rin. Sa unang mapapansin dito yung music dito, yun yung nagpaantok sa akin okay? I'm sorry whoever is the audio designer ng pelikula to, but the music just won't cut it for me. I have to sleep like almost all part of the movie, pas papanoorin ko ulit just to watch this godforsaken movie para lang ma-review ito. The music has to be contributing sa kwento, hindi siya detrimental sa kwento, okay? I know you're trying to get the shallow, yung parang dramatic, medyo sad, okay? Pero there's a fine line of being sad and being boring na di ko gets bakit ganito yung nangyari sa atin. Okay? I just I don't know, I just can't comprehend yung situation. Why it has happened to this, okay? So, unti-unti nauhulog ang loob ni Sandra kay Emma habang sila ay nagsasama. They always talk about their late husbands and yung paborito nila. They really lean on to the part that they are destined to each other. At ang una nakalata dito ay si Sandra. Si Emma todo tanggi pa kasi it's a loss and syempre akalain niya mandaraya siya sa kanyang asawa, di ba? And ayun, yung mga illusion sila unti-unti na involved si Sandra and Emma. So nauna si Sandra, dinay-dream niya na nag-threesome sila nung asawa niya, basta sumama si yung asawa si Jen Rosa sa pagtatalik, and Sandra just woke up na like ito na yon, in love na siya kay Emma, and rightfully so naman na may paliwanag naman, na-explain ko naman, di ba? Dito na yung simula nung pagiging in love nila sa isa't isa And okay, and ano naman, when it comes to the execution, it's kind of good naman. Okay? Yan. And then on the other hand, on the other instance naman, nakita ko is si Emma todo tanggi naman. So inaya ni Sandra itong si Emma magtulog, sleep over. Sandra begins to touch Emma while she's asleep. And then Emma dreamt of her and her late husband having sex. Pero si Emma na talaga yun nakikipagtalik sa kanya. And ayun, nakita niya, next day, the error of her ways was just realized. At nagkasakit tong si Emma. And she felt na pinagaling ito ni Sandra, good thing. And yeah, it just sabi lang ni Sandra na she just felt something dun unang niyang hinalikan itong unang niyang hinalikan itong si Emma. Okay? So, right back at I think we kind of get it, diba? Nagets na natin yung flow ng ating kwento. And with that, naging sila sa dulo. And the movie ends really awkwardly with parang kaleidoscope, trippy illusory trip na habang nagtatalig sila, parang ikaw yung nasa kaleidoscope. That's like the visual that they're feeling. Mm. Parang yung dating na gusto ko, this is a 3B. That's Ilusionadas nga eh. I want to stay in this realm. But yeah,
Lighter than a
the
diamond.
story is fine. But ewan ko, I think I've seen this movie before na yung dati magkaibigan, yung mag-asawa, nang wala yung kanilang asawa, kasi naging sila. Alam ko, nakita ko na to dati, hindi ko na matandaan eh. Okay? And mga rebelde pa yung mga asawa nila, di ba? Pas, ano. Ah, hindi!
Lighter than a
Teka,
diamond.
was it, was it simple enough na ganun lang? I don't know. Yeah. Rating. I think I'm going to give this movie a rating of AEW. I just don't feel it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry that it just happens to be this way. Happens to be really low. So yeah, as you can see, my PC is still not working, so I'm recording it via my Wuthering Waves PS5. Kaya
I
magtiis-tiis na lang
alone
tayo.
cannot decide
Okay,
whether it's for
so
sure. Gotcha!
I
Didn't
think
I?
Tuesday we're also going to review something. We are going to review Table for 3. Yeah, we're gonna review some hot naked men in this channel. So if you want to enjoy, subscribe to the channel, like this video, hit that bell icon for more of your bold review. This is Las Ilusionadas review. We are less than 200 subscribers away. 183 subscribers more bago tayo umabot ng 10,000. So keep up with the subscribe button. I'll see you next time. Goodbye. Good night. Bye.